Hello everyone. In the last tutorial we have discussed fill any method and some their parameters. Okay. For this first we need to upload our data set and import pandas library. Okay. Import pandas as PD. Okay. And load our data set and then perform some basic fill any parameters with the help of fill any method to fill the numerical value in our data frame in place of missing value or NaN value. Now in this class, in this tutorial, we will discuss about the replace function. Okay, what is the replace function? So values to the data frame are replaced with another value dynamically. With the help of this function, replace function and their parameter, we replaced the data frame value dynamically in our data frame. Okay, for this first we call our data set. Our data set name is df, as I have discussed in the last tutorial. So first we call this. Okay, as you can see, our data set is loaded. Now we use our replace function. So for this simply we call data frame name df dot replace. And to know about the parameter of replace function, we press shift plus tab. Okay, so as you can see, the parameter of replace function are to replace, and by default its value is none. Second is values, and you can see another with the help of this sign, and in place limit none, regrets, it means regular expression, and method equal to pad. If you want to know the description about this, you can know about this with the help of to scroll down, and you can see all the functions and related to the description of these parameters. Okay, so first we use the replace function, the parameter to replace. Okay, so let's understand how to work is first we write here the name, uh, the parameter to replace, to underscore replace equal to, and suppose we need to replace the Setosa or Virginica. Okay, so we write here Virginica, and replace Virginica. Then we assign the value. Next parameter is value equal to, suppose we replace the Virginica into Setosa. Okay, so we write here Setosa. Now simple run. Okay, as you can see, we got an error because to replace function with replace with spelling is mistake, lace, we write here se. So, then okay, you can see our Virginica is replaced here. Virginica is replaced by the Setosa. So with the help of this to replace function, we assign the value which we need to replace to another value, and another value we assign to the value parameter, and we get a beautiful answer of this type of replace function. Okay, now, or in short way, we can use this without the parameter in the to replace function. We remove the to replace and values. For this first we need to copy this path and paste here. Okay, now if we remove the parameter, then the replace function work similar as the above. We remove this Virginica and the value parameter, and then simply run. Okay, you can see both the data frame are same. As you can see, all the Virginica value are replaced by the Satosa. So we can use with short method with the help of the replace function. Now suppose we need to change a numerical value. As you can see, we have changed the string type of value. Now if we need to change a numerical value, suppose this value we need to change 149, we replace to 149 as suppose 159 or any other value. So for this, simply we write here data frame dot, or we can copy this and paste here, and simply we assign suppose 150 149 is replaced by suppose 100 or any other value or 100. Okay, so then we simply run this program. As you can see here 149, and after running you can see here, you can see the last value because we replace the, okay, as you can see it is not changed because it's the index value. Okay, we can change in the value is which is in data frame. So if we need to suppose change this 5.1, so we write here 5.1, and suppose we replace 5.1 with the 6.1, suppose 6.1. Okay, so simply run. As you can see in our data set, next data set, 5.1 is replaced by the 6.1. Okay, so with the help of replace function, we can change the numerical value as well as the string type of value. If we want to change the column value or more than one value in a column, so for this we use list. So first we need to replace this, copy this and paste here, and then we use a list. For this we use a square bracket and pass, suppose we need to change the spectral width 3.333 and 3.2 3.1 and all. So we write here 3.1 comma 3 comma 3.2 comma and 3.1 comma 6. Suppose we need to change all these values 3.5 to 6. Okay, so we replace all these values suppose by 0. Okay, so we write here simply 0 and then call this function, or simply we run this function. Okay, now you can see here all values not change. Why is it not changed? Because okay, as you can see, the replace function replace all value in the list with the this numerical value. Suppose we write here 4, so the values 2.0 2.0 in our data set replaced by 4. Okay, as we run this, now you can see the value 0.2 and 0.2 is replaced by, in you can see here by the 4. Okay, now we can replace the 1.4 with 0 with the help of this replace function. Or if you want to replace different with the different values, for this we use, in the place of list we use a list and pass those value which we need to replace. First we need to simply call this. As you can see in our data set 1.4 replaced by 0.0. If you want to replace different value 0 point, not only 0.0 but another value, for this we call here a list function. Okay, and pass different value, suppose 1.2 1.3 1.5 different value, and then run. You can see you will see here all 00 replaced by the another values. Okay, So I hope it is clear all of you. If you have any query related to this content, please write in comment section, and for more update, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.